Alright, my music. There we go. Alright, so where we left off the last time was at the data. We were looking at 66 through 72, and there's three things. Alright, before you go any farther, we wanted 4 classes. If your last class is empty, go back and recheck either your data or your class width, because your class width was the first time you really did math. Very likely you messed up there. Also go back and make sure that you add 7 or whatever your class width is each time you go down, and that these two numbers right here, the 52 and the 51 diagonally, these two numbers are one different from each other, this one being less, that one being more. Also check and make sure that these numbers diagonally are the same. That'll help you out. Oh, by the way, we made that class ourselves, so it's got a 0. Now, on to relative frequency. Woohoo! Alright, that's going to equal. Oh, I can't figure it out yet. Before I get onto that, I have to do my last step, and that is add up your frequencies. Highlight them all, and click Auto Sum. There you go. We're going to make that guy right there yellow because we're going to use him a lot. Alright, that's 24. Also, good idea, go back to your original data. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Also, on the bottom of your screen somewhere there will be a count. That'll help out. Make sure you have this right number. Okay, back to our table. Relative frequency, that equals the frequency for the same class divided by your total number of things. Don't click on this 24 at the bottom. You want to type in 24. If you click on the 24 when you go to drag down, it's going to get ugly. Don't do it. Alright. And we're not going to do anything else with him, so go ahead and click that a second time and autofill straight down all the way to right there. I don't like to drag down into there because it's a good check to make sure you're doing things right, is to highlight that whole set of stuff and click Auto Sum. If you just drag down, you're not going to have a check. You're going to just divide 24 by whatever you have. I guess if you have a major mistake, it'll show up anyways, but I like auto summing just as an extra safety precaution. Alright, we want all those things to be percentages, so I'm going to highlight it all. Go up here to the number section, click percent. Now the percentages, oh, we like a decimal place, so let's move that decimal place to the thing right here to the left. It says increase decimal. It's the number. Actually, what it says is nothing. Arrow to the left right there, click that. You'll put your other decimal place in there, and that looks nice. Good. Cumulative frequency. I don't know how many times I have to say this. Cumulative means you are counting. At this stage, I have counted how many? 0 things. So I push equals that frequency. Push enter. At this stage, I have counted. There's 8 here, plus the none that I had above. So I'm going to equals 8, that 8, plus the 0 from above. Not that 0, don't think about it. The 0 from above, push enter. Oh, thank goodness I'm done typing. So now I'm just going to grab that 8 and drag him straight down to the bottom. Auto drag, don't just move it down. Alright, now watch, here's my last cool trick of the day. Highlight all the cumulative frequency stuff and autofill it to the right. Nice. There's your relative cumulative frequency taken care of. You didn't remember what relative cumulative frequency is? That is the cumulative frequency, see the words? It's that divided by the total number of things. Oh, by the way, right here I auto summed and I did not need to, so I'm going to delete that because counting already is the sum of things. Also, if you notice, if you had wanted to do your relative cumulative frequency a different way, actually this is the way I did it with autofill, but what it is the sum of your relative frequencies. This is sometimes called cumulative relative frequency. If you like that idea better, fine, that'll help you out. Alright, the next video is going to show you how to start making graphs from this.